Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025 top 10 winning tips. The best Capsim Round 1 answers walk through details for Round 1. Round 1 to IND, so I show you the detail now. To get the top result like you see on the screen, right? Very high result, much higher than competitors for on round 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? We invest in round 1 and round 2 and then 3 and then we get top result. I show you the detail now. First for round 1 IND. So when you start round 1, you see on the screen, right? We start round 1, we have 5 products here. The first thing we need to look at before we set decision for any rounds is check industry condition report. This industry condition report, you see that industry condition report, the most important report you check in round 1. So you see the 5 segment here: low end, performance and size, and low end traditional, high end performance and size, in that order. We are the manufacturers of sensors, right, to sell for the other business to integrate in their product. So each round we can increase our performance and size for the sensors for our product, right? You see here, table 1, the first table you need to look at. Performance and size, we need to increase performance and reduce size each round. Need to increase performance and reduce size each round. And then for table 2, we have 8 rounds here, from round 1 to round 8, and 5 segments here, right? And each round we have increase performance and size for each round, but remember, do not use table 2 alone. We need to use table 2 together with table 3 to get the product to the ideal spot here, to get the product to the ideal spot. You see that ideal spot, so we need to combine that. My suggestion to use an Excel file here, you can download for free. This is table 2 and then this is table 2 combined with table 3. So you this part to apply for 8 rounds. This table 2 cannot use. You need to use table 2 combined with table 3 to get this table, right? To update IND for each round. So we update IND for each round. This is for round 1. Again, do not copy the number because numbers may be different from student to student, from game to game. So I show you the strategy. You can apply that. Use your number from your game to check this one. Industry condition report here. Check table 1, table 2, table 3 and copy and paste in this part, only this first round here. I say start here, and then you can get the table 3 for your game, right? So that's IND decision. And for round 1, we can develop one new product here. I tell you the reason why, right? One new product in the low end segment, right? Because you look at this one, we find our low end segment accounts for nearly 40% of the market share, right? So that's why we developed one new product in low end. You can double the sale and double the profit, right? But you can adjust or change the strategy depends on your game, depends on the competitors, right? If you have any questions, send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com here, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Check the other videos for the next lesson, right? For the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.